Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. In this guide, I'll walk you through how you can move money from Afterpay to your bank account. Start by opening your browser and heading over to the Afterpay website. It's important to know that Afterpay doesn't offer direct bank transfers, as it's designed mainly as a buy now, pay later platform. That said, if you happen to have a credit balance, maybe from a refund or an overpayment, you can request to have that amount returned to you. Simply log into your account, review your balance, and reach out to Afterpay support to initiate the transfer to your bank. Once your request is approved, the funds will be deposited straight into your account. Thanks for tuning in. If this video helped you out, be sure to like, subscribe, and tap the notification bell so you don't miss our daily uploads.